After that, building DIT, and the module is data communication and network. So I'm having an assignment of terminating the cable, that is a straight through and a crossover. Let me tell you the difference between these two cables. The crossover is the cable that we use to connect the device of the same type, like computer to computer or printer to printer. Then straight through, it is the cable that we use to connect different devices on the computer network, like connecting computer to a switch, connecting switch to a hub. So the difference between those cables are the color coding. We are having two color coding. We have A and B. So whereby if you want to connect straight through, both ends has to be the same. Either if you choose to take A or B, it has all ends has to be with the same endings. Then the straight through, all sides has to have some part, either A and B. So the color coding is the A, you first take the green. So I'm going to use the gripping tool. I'm having here the connector. This is RJ45. I'm going to first chop off this. So since I'm going to first connect the crossover, because crossover requires to have two ends. So now this is end A, OT587 class A standard. So now I'm going to connect the B here. I'm going to this is the cable I use. It is underground cable, so it is kind hard, but I'm going to as you see, this is a shielded pair twisted cable with 8 cores inside, plus so I have to arrange this terminal well so that I can connect them well. As you can see, the color combination is 4. So if you add them, they are all 8. So one end, this end is having class B, this one is going to have the class A. So now I'm arranging. So I'm going to start with the white. I'm going to start with the white green. This is white green, then green, white green, then green. After white green, I bring white orange. This is white orange. After white orange, I bring blue, then white blue, then white blue. After white blue, I bring orange. I bring white brown, then brown, as you can see. So now I'm going to cut this. I remain with the only part. So this is our RJ45 I'm going to use to connect. So you see this green, white green, orange, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, yes, white brown, and brown. So this is you see, it has to connect well. All terminals, if you confirm that all terminals are here, then you bring the clipping tool. So this is how I'm going to clip. Then after, I press. Hope you see benefits. It is now okay. So this is now a crossover, because this end is having A, this one is having B. So if I need to make a straight through, that implies I have to make both ends to be with the same color coding. So I'm going to use one wire because I'm going to use one wire. Okay, let me check here if I have another cable with me. So this is what I'm going to use for straight through. So here it is having B. So I'm going to connect B with here. How many minutes?
And it has gone beyond, it is 5. You have to trim it.
Then I sharpen my cores or terminals. So this is type B. So I'm going to start with it. I'm going to start with orange. I'm going to start with the white orange. This is white orange. I bring orange. Then I bring white green. This is white green. This is green. After orange, after white orange, I bring orange. Then I bring green, white orange, orange. Then I bring orange, white orange. I bring blue, white green. Then after white green, blue. After blue, white blue. Then I bring orange, white brown, and brown. So this is white orange, orange, white green, blue, orange, white brown, and brown.
Turn the.
So this is the RJ45 we use. The other type. Here. This is it. Now I'm connected. This is a straight through. Yeah. Thank you.